morning, everyone. I'm here at Makulu Point again to channel messages from the Divine Feminine. So let me call them in. Emissaries of Divine Light, calling emissaries of Divine Light, wishing to channel voices of the Divine Feminine. Yes, dear ones, notice the tide coming in and then going out again. These are natural rhythms of nature. Just as you have natural rhythms in your lives, events come in, people come into your lives, and then those events change, those people leave your lives, perhaps permanently or perhaps to come again another day. But these are the natural rhythms of the planet. And in earlier days, when people were more connected to nature and the rhythms of nature, this became part of their daily life ritual. There were the seasons. There was the sunlight to monitor and the rain. But now in these modern times, people can be more removed from these natural rhythms. And so we invite you to begin incorporating them back into your lives. For some of you, it is easier. You live close to nature. You have a park, you have a lake, you have an ocean. And for those of you living in cities, it can be more challenging. So you will have to get creative. Sit out on your balcony, close your eyes. If there is a great cityscape before you, find a park to walk in, or a forest. May not be able to incorporate this daily if you live in a large city. But again, for those of you who live in the suburbs or small towns or towns along the coast, it is an easier practice. It is just one that you need to be more conscious of and bring into your daily lives. It will raise your vibration. It will make you happier. It will help you be more creative. Thank you for reaching out to us. Thank you for being open to our messages. And we love you, and we are the Divine Feminine.